Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did a quick little pork recipe for you. It's a little pork loin that I had, and I marinated it up with some cumin, some other spices. I'll put it down in the description below, but I just did a quick grill on it on a little gas grill that I have. But a little tip for you, you can throw some wood on your grill and get it to smoking. That way you can add a little bit more flavor into your meat, so it isn't just kind of just a plain fire taste. You can actually have the smoke into it. But anyways, a quick little video for you here, just a grilled pork loin, and I'll put all the ingredients down below so you know what's in it, so you can do it too. Anyways, love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.